Welcome learner in our science class for 5th standard. Learner, today we will start the first chapter of FA2, that is animals are friend. And in this video we will mainly discuss about the use of animals in our daily life. From the very beginning, animals had played a very important role in our life. And we have the animals like dog, cats and parrots as a pet, and every day we use the different things that obtain from the animals like milk, cheese, honey, meat as a food, and these all products obtained from the animals. And we can find so many examples in our surrounding that how the animals are useful to us. And animal provide us so many things, like we obtain the milk from cow, goat and buffaloes, and such animals are called the dairy animals. And the eggs are provided by the hens and goose and ducks, and these are called the poultry birds. You are like to eat the meat, and the flesh of the goat, sheep is eaten as a meat, and cooked fish is also liked by the many people all over the world. And the fur of many animals like sheep, rabbit and yak is used for making the woolen clothes. And you all are like to wear the silk cloth, and do you know from where it comes? It The silk is obtained from the cocoon of the silkworm. We take the cocoon and put them in the boiling water and obtain the silk fiber to make the silk cloth. And the skin of animals like snake, cow and camels are used for making the shoes and the bags and belts. So the dung of animals like cow and buffalo is dried and used as a fuel for in our kitchen. And do you know, we get the oil from the fish and the honey from the beehives of the honey bee, and these are also the animal product. And the pearls which are used for making the jewelry or the ornament, that is obtained from the oyster which are found in the seawater. And there are some animals whose bones are used for making the ornament and medicine. You are very much familiar with the teeth of the elephant, which are known as the tusk. So the tusk of the elephant is used to make the decoration items and the jewelries. The next, many animals like horse, camel and elephant are used for riding purposes as well as the carrying the load. So these animals are called the draught animals. What are the draught animal? The animal which are used for carrying the load. And animals like the monkey, lion and bear are used for entertaining the people in the circus. And you are very much familiar with this animal. What is it? It is earthworm. And earthworm is called the farmer friend. Why it is called the farmer friend? Because it turn over the soil and make it fertile. And lizard, chameleon eat the harmful pest and protect our crop from harmful insect. And many people are upon the animal for their living. You are very much familiar with this picture, and it is a snake charmer, and the snake charmer catches the snake and makes them dance to the tunes of his being. And once the snake charmer catches the snake, he removes the fangs of the snake. And what are the fangs? These are the teeth of snake. He removes the fangs to make it harmless. And madari, you have seen the madari on the road, and a madari is a person who catches the monkeys and bears. He trained them to dance and perform the different actions. The animals are tortured while to be trained. And have you listened about the Mahavat? A Mahavat is a person who trained the elephant, and the elephant being tortured during his training. And these people, like the Madari or snake charmer, or the Mahavat, these people do not earn so much, so that's why they starve the animals. And the different wildlife protections organization have protected the rights of the animals. And PETA stand for People for the Ethical Treatment of the Animals. And PETA is the organization that discourages the use of the animal for the sports, entertainment, and the experimentation. And beside this PETA, there are other organizations like Wildlife Conservation Society, that is WCS, and WWF World Wide Fund also support the conservation and protection of the wild animals for and their habitat. And government had also set up many national park and sanctuary to discourage the hunting of the animals for the pleasure and their body parts. And student, we will learn about the protection of the animal in next video. And this is all about the today. And thank you. Have a nice day.